Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today we put in this box right here. I can go ahead and lift this up for you. There's a bunch of underground pipes here that we've been working on. So what we've been doing, what we did is cut that off, and then we've been pulling the strings in so we can pull the wire later. So one of the pipes goes to right there. You can't really see it. Another pipe goes to another set of pipes goes over there. One for this carport, one for that carport, and then this is a future pipe right here, and then another set of pipes, or another pipe goes right here. So as you can see, I got the string tied around there so it doesn't fall back in the hole. And then the other stuff basically wasn't finished yet, so what we had to do was dig it up and then pipe it together. As you can see, it's pouring rain, so drop me a like. I'm out here hustling for you guys. 4:30. So we dug this up right here, and then we connected the PVC pipes here for the little bollard lights that are going in here. So had to dig that section up. You can see it's all messed up right there. Okay, we get it. And then this got dug up. This got dug up. And then we dug this up right here. Some of these were like way under the concrete, just stubbed out. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. This car is just backing up in my video, so yeah, so I just did these ones. Coworker did these. Got dirt everywhere. And then this one's not done yet, so have to dig that up right here, find the pipe, and then extend that a little bit and connect it. So that's what we worked on today. So yeah, so it was quite a mess. As you can see, we got a bunch of dirt everywhere right here, so hopefully they're not going to be mad about that. But we're going to be setting all these lights around the whole building, so they're going to be all around the whole building wherever you see the concrete bases. And then there's also going to be like street light posts, or whatever you want to call them, the big like 20 footers. I don't know how big they are, maybe the 10 footers, but they're going to be on these concrete bases right there. So they'll kind of look like street lights. But that's what I did today. It took very long to get these strings in from underground. You wouldn't think it would take very long, but these ones had, I don't know, some major problems. I think they said there was like 690s or something, so it just took a really long time. Basically, I had to use 2 fish tapes to get this one, to get the string in, and then that string basically sucked it in, and then it got stuck like right at the last 3 feet. So we had to use a fish tape and then grab the string and bag and then pull it up. So just a nightmare. So hopefully they go easier tomorrow, but I think most of them are done, or at least a bunch of the hard stuff is. So hopefully this is just the main home run section right here, coming from the building and then going out. So hopefully the rest of the stuff should be really easy. It should just be going from light post to light post. And then they're supposed to bring like a, I forgot the name of it right now, but something to blow all the strings in tomorrow, like an air compressor or whatever. So they're gonna bring an air compressor, and then we're gonna try to get like a little baby mouse for these 3/4 pipes and 1 inch. So put a little mouse in there. If you don't know what a mouse is, it's like a little piece of styrofoam cylinder with a little hook on the end that you tie the string to, and then you just blow the air, and it goes through the pipe really fast. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate it. You guys are killing it on the subscribers right now. I greatly appreciate it. Every time I log in, I see a new number, so I appreciate that. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. and have an awesome rest. I just said that. God bless and an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias. Alright guys, see you later.